Welcome to your reading. Let me share the cards with you first of all. We have the Hermit card. These are my Handsome Roberts cards, my favourite. Followed by the Four of Swords. We've then got the Knight of Rods or Wands, and this has showed up for the past couple of weeks. And finally, the Nine of Cups. I've got some other bits and I'll bring those in a moment. I've also got another cold, so excuse me, I'm just getting over it. Loads of clearing. So the Hermit. Now, it can be a message to go within. It's a very internal energy. To be quite honest, a bit like this one, the Four of Swords can be about resting and going within. So there may be a message for many of you. You've been working hard, you've been doing lots of things, you've been stressed, you've been, and maybe for some of you, you are a little bit run down. You just need to go within to heal, to sort of take on board everything that's been happening. I mean, boy, has loads been happening energetically. So this week, it feels like be gentle with yourself, be gentle with yourself. And if you need to step back, if you need to heal, if you need to decompress in any way, then do that. The other thing that I got in my preparation, I know many of you know that I prepare a lot before I then hit the record button, was the word illumination with this card. It kept coming through really strongly, meaning that for some of you this week, you may be getting an answer or a missing piece of the jigsaw or information, data you've been searching for. It could be an understanding, it could be a knowingness. But you've been searching, you've been looking, you've been asking, you've been opening yourself up, you've been surrendering, but nothing's come through. This week, you may get that answer, you may get that information come through. So illumination is really big. They're just dropping down something else. That's fine. So also when I was in the preparation, they wanted me to attach another phrase or word to this. And it is this. You're waking up. You are waking up. Now, it also connects to the Four of Swords as well. But what the link here is that you are getting more and more understanding and information and different energies and different feelings and different paths forward, different steps to take. And this is all part of your awakening, you're rising up. And before, we've said a lot about, you need to clear this and it's happening, it's coming, and now it's absolutely, you are definitely waking up. You're waking up from your slumber. You're waking up from the third dimension into the higher dimensions, the higher frequencies now. And this is where they wanted me to share the word illumination. You are looking around and things are seeming different now. You compare yourself to a year ago, 2, 3, 5 years ago. I mean, gosh, that just seems such a long time ago. But you are so different. You are waking up and the light is shining in you and other things are being illuminated. So really look out for that. Really look out for that. Now, there's another card to go with this as well. And it's an angel answer card, and it is this: take action. So it feels as though, yes, we've been we've been within a lot, we've been healing, we've been transforming, really. You know, it's like the butterfly, the cocoon stage, we've been in it. But now they're telling us a lot about take action, go for it. If you've got your answer, you've got your piece of information, move forward, start taking those steps now. Go for it, go for it, go for it. But it's when you have that download, when you have that illuminated idea come to you, then take the action. Excuse me, I'm just going to sip some water. I've just been clearing out so much. It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, Four of Swords. Now, I've already touched on this, that it could be that you just need to rest and allow things to assimilate and to integrate and to sort of settle into your energy, because there's been so much change. So that may be for some of you. But I feel, oh right, okay, yeah, got it. I feel that these link quite nicely as well. You know, things are being illuminated. This can also mean the subconscious, the supraconscious, the different levels and layers. I mean, I'm going down, but really it's up, isn't it? It's going to the, you know, the fifth dimension, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth. So this can relate to those different dimensions, the different states of consciousness, higher levels of consciousness. And that's why you're getting new information in. So I think that's definitely happening. The other thing, and this is definitely for me, is they keep saying this to me, but they also said it in my preparation. So I needed to share it with you as well. You have to remember at the minute as well, a lot of you are doing massive healing. You are healing. So ease up on yourselves. Don't go too mad. You know, just allow all of this new energy to bed in, to settle in, to process in your own energy field. So remember, you are healing. And that's the that's the Four of Swords. Now, we've had this a couple of times. Knight of Rods or Wands. Knights are about change. We know we're in that process. The rods, wands can relate to something you're passionate about, something you're motivated about, can relate to your life's work, your purpose, your mission here on earth, your heart and soul stuff. For me, I think it's heart and soul stuff. Now, so this might just mean you're in it, you're in amongst it, you're making changes, you're taking the action, you're integrating all this stuff, you're processing it. It's really, really, really big time, but exciting, so exciting. But also what I love about this is about this feeling that you've escaped from difficulty. You've escaped from this place where you thought, I was so ready to leave there. I was so ready. Now, it's not necessarily a physical move, or it could be moving jobs, moving companies, teams, could be moving in terms of relationships, but towns, countries, but it could be a shift or a move in terms of your lifestyle. What you've been doing for so long, has worked for so long, you've changed it, you've shifted up a gear, and you feel like you've escaped from something you were done with, something that was difficult, challenging, stressful. So I love that. And gorgeous way to end the week. And this is the Nine of Cups. This is the wish fulfillment card. Your wishes are coming true. Yes, yes, yes. Or one of them. And it feels like it's all, it's all together. You're waking up, like they said. Something's being illuminated, shown to you. You're taking it on board. You're taking action, but you're healing as well. You're changing. But it's all in line with something that's really important to you, something that's really close to your heart and soul. You love it. Look at how happy that person is. And all of the cups are filled with happy emotions and vibration and energy. So love and happiness and joy and contentment and peace and all that gorgeous stuff. So there you are, witnessing another of your wishes coming true. So this is great. But be gentle with yourself this week as well, because such incredible changes are happening. You have to remember you are also in the process of healing, of ascending, of changing your vibration. And sometimes you'll feel like you're flying, sometimes you'll feel like, oh my god, I can't do anything, which is just what I've been feeling a little bit, been up and down and up and down. And that's okay. That's okay, because the energy is shifting. Your energy and vibration is changing. But some really good things happening. But the word they want me to leave you with is illumination. Something is changing. You'll get a different understanding, a different perception, a different knowingness this week for many of you. I hope it's a really good one, and thank you so much for watching.